This is Kevin, Big Bear Performance. Some of you are aware that we have a 32mm cartridge. We've just come out, this is our high-end cartridge kit. It's 32mm, it's the largest out there. It's an amazing cartridge, it rides so good. And this is a 29mm we've come up with. As you can see the difference there in the diameters. This is our entry-level cartridge kit now. This retails for $8.90. This is available at a lot of Harley Davidson dealerships right now. And of course our 32mm is also available at a lot of Harley Davidson dealerships. And so now that this is available, we have an affordable option with the 29, and then for max performance we have the 32. So get down to your local dealer like Quade Harley Davidson. They actually have one of their brand new bikes set up with our suspension in it. You can actually go test ride it and see the difference between our suspension and suspension out there on the market like Progressive or Legends or whoever. And we know that you'll be very, very happy to test ride that bike. One other thing I wanted to touch base on is that there's a lot of suspension out there on the market for these early front ends. This is a early front end here. They stopped making in 2013. 41mm fork. We've actually designed this cartridge kit, which will be released in the next few weeks, which is fully adjustable on valving as well as preload, and that's something that we have patents being applied for, because nobody's ever done that before. So have a fully adjustable cartridge kit for a 41mm front end for the early style right here. Our adjuster's right on the top here for preload, and then of course right in the center here is our valve adjustment. And we've designed this whole top of the cartridge here to actually bolt onto the early triple trees. So that's something to look forward to. And yeah, check us out at bigbearperformance.com and check out all of our products. And like I said, you can go to your local Harley dealer and request the Big Bear Performance cartridge products, our suspension products. And we've always pair our cartridges with Öhlins rear shocks, so just keep that in mind. And we look forward to seeing our suspension on your motorcycle.